How can you fulfill your Big Four dream job is what I'm decoding in this video. I'm Megha Bansali, ACCA and the Indian Chartered Accountant. So to talk about my corporate experience, I have experience from KPMG wherein I did a lot of statutory audit, and trust me, I really enjoyed it. So if you are someone who's wanting to have that Big Four job, and if that is your dream, then I have decoded how you can get into a Big Four even if you are just a 12th standard. So in this video मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस बता दूंगी कि अगर आप 12th में हो तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप ग्रेजुएशन में हो तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, अगर आप प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफाइड स्टूडेंट हो जैसे CA ACCA तो आप क्या कर सकते हो. So let's get started. First of all, what is important for a Big Four is definitely guys आपके पास एक प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है to kickstart your process to get into Big Four. So mandatory that you have some sort of professional qualification. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि अगर आप BCom graduate हो या सिर्फ graduate हो आपको Big Four में jobs नहीं मिलेगी. No, I'm not saying that. But your chances become a lot more if you are having a professional qualification. That's the first mandatory thing. That is what will help your CV get through the HR and reach the respective person also. Now, what should be there in your CV other than a professional qualification? Second thing that should be present in your CV are technical skills. Now, what sort of technical skills should you develop? Something like basic Excel, you can know Power BI, you could learn any data analytical kind of a small course you can do. These courses can be relevant when you are applying into a Big Four. अब जब आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो आपको एक बात ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए कि इसकी जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या है, जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है. जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में से आप कुछ कीवर्ड सेलेक्ट करो, वो कीवर्ड्स आपके सीवी में होने चाहिए बिकॉज गाइज नाउअडेज योर रेज्यूमे इज बीन स्क्रूटनाइज्ड बाय सॉफ्टवेयर. इट इज कॉल्ड एज ATS. This software basically will scrutinize your resume using keywords. So relevant keywords based on job description should be present into your CV. So should you be changing your CV for every job that you are applying? Well, the answer is yes. आपको हर जॉब के लिए आपकी CV बदलने की रिक्वायरमेंट हो सकती है ताकि ये सॉफ्टवेयर आपकी CV को ओके करे. देन once I have the technical skills, I have my professional qualification, then my CV will definitely reach the manager and I might be called for the interview. Now this is guys the most challenging part because क्या होता है, इंटरव्यू तो हो जाता है बट हम नर्वस हो जाते हैं, हम बहुत स्कैर्ड रहते हैं, हमको फियर हो जाता है कि हमको ये जॉब नहीं मिलेगा तो क्या होगा. दिस इज़ the ultimate moment I was waiting for. You have to overcome these feelings first of all, and it can come through confidence, through good communication skills. Very much mandatory guys कि आपके पास good communication skills हो, तो इन पे work करना बहुत ज़रूरी है and this is what you should start working from your 12th standard on. So how do you develop good communication skills? So if you are a 12th standard student, I will recommend कि आपके कॉलेज में जो भी इवेंट्स होते हैं प्लीज़ उनमें पार्टिसिपेट करिए, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करिए, डिबेट्स होते हैं उनमें पार्टिसिपेट करिए. इससे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस काफ़ी डेवलप होगा और आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स भी इम्प्रूव होगी. सेकेंड, अगर आप ऑलरेडी ग्रेजुएट हो और आपके पास ये सब सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं है तो व्हाट टू डू. There are communities, there are public forums for public speaking. Toastmasters is a very good program which you can join for public speaking. And if not guys, you can just be like me and make YouTube videos. It will really help you develop your communication skills and maybe you can go viral and also become an influencer later. So these are some tips on how you can improve your communication skills. Honestly, the three most important things that are required to get into a job, into a Big Four, and honestly I am not saying this, a lot of industries, senior professions are telling me this and a lot of HRs are telling me this. ये वीडियो मैंने स्पेशली इसलिए बनाया क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूअर के साथ कम्युनिकेट करती हूँ, प्लस मैं बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ भी कम्युनिकेट करती हूँ. सो देर इज़ अ गैप एंड द मेजर गैप इज़ द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. स्टूडेंट अपने टेक्निकल स्किल्स पे काम कर लेते हैं, अपने क्वालिफिकेशन पे काम कर लेते हैं, बट कम्युनिकेशन बहुत पुअर है. स्पेशली इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट इंडिया, CAs have very poor communication skills. So guys, please work upon these skills, and you just need these 3 simple ingredients to crack that Big Four interview. मैं आपको मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बताती हूँ. मैंने बताया कि yes, मैं भी Big Four बैकग्राउंड से हूँ. But guys, I did not crack it in my very first interview. So I had applied for all 4 Big Fours post my CA Inter results, and my results were amazing. I had scored 65% in CA Inter, which is a very good score, and it was my very first attempt. तो मेरे को लगा था कि मेरा तो Big Four में ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, and I don't have to bother. But guys, जब मैंने मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू दिया था, I was so nervous that they asked me basic journal entries and मेरे पास उसके आंसर्स नहीं थे, और मैंने गलत आंसर्स दिए थे. मैंने डेबिट क्रेडिट भी बहुत ऊपर नीचे कर दिया था, which I realized later. So that was because even I was a student who was like, nahi, I really want to get into Big Four, and that nervousness actually made me forget all my concepts, made me give wrong answers in the interview, and I got rejected, and I was very sad about it, to be honest. But I then understood what I should be working upon, and then I did little bit of mock interviews with some of my friends, and post that I got into Big Four, I got into KPMG. That's how I started my journey into Big Four. So yes, even I have learned from my failure. That's why I'm telling you guys, communication skills is very important. Please do not be nervous. Please do not feel that you are not able to deliver the content, because if you feel that way, you will not be able to crack your interview. Try these tips and let me know how they worked out for you. In case you're having any other roadblock to get into Big Fours, then you can drop a comment below and I will suggest how you can overcome it. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with more people who want to get into the Big Fours, and you require any sort of tips or guidance, please feel free to reach out to me. And guys, I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.